I'm Annabelle Liz from VV Rouleaux, and this month on the 100 colour guide from VV Rouleaux we are doing stirred coffee, something that really get every day a nice creamy lovely colour. And on this board here we've got not a lot of trims, but some beautiful silky satin here, beautiful satin, wire edged ribbon, grosgrains, small gimps, a lovely lace, this gorgeous printed velvet, stirred coffee with lovely colours, and a wide wire-edged ribbon, 4mm grosgrain. We have some fantastic grosgrains in thin widths. This one has fantastic sparkle in it, so we've got a bit of sparkle grosgrain. And stirred coffee, lovely colour to mix other colours with. And on this old sofa, which is a great favourite, we've got stirred coffee millinery velvet. So this is very old 1940s millinery velvet, and we've covered an old chair. And then how mad to have a bright sort of orangey brown and silk satin. This is one whole ribbon here, so this is a vintage piece, and that's a speciality of VV Rouleaux, using all the vintage ribbons to put on our furniture, and using this as a main feature, as a stripe. And how good that looks with stirred coffee and a satin. This is a mock fur edge. So this is one ribbon here, and then it goes to cream and these lovely orangey brown velvets and satin stripes for an amazing colour combination together. And with the ribbons, the velvet one that I was showing you, how nice is that, with lovely roses, printed roses, a really lovely ribbon for the winter, possibly, for using for clothing and furniture. All our ribbons are great for everything. I don't just use them for furniture. It's marvellous to use for display and decorations, for lampshades and for fashion. And this is the really sweet grosgrain, glitter grosgrain. As usual, piled on the floor, they look lovely. And this has a really nice little subtle glitter inside the grosgrain. Wonderful for belts around waists and hair ties. Actual little bow on the top of a lampshade too. A nice lace, pretty lace ribbon. All gorgeous colours. Then it's nice to think what you could use the stirred coffee, what colours would go with that. And who would have thought you could do a black and white stripe, literally a black and white stripe, gingham and stirred coffee on the edge. We've got all lovely vintage ribbons. These are all old French pieces, and this is a really nice one with some stripes and velvets and a really dusky pink down the side. Pale blue with stirred coffee, lovely pale blue. So thinking of how to use the ribbons and start the whole ribbon room, start with the ribbon and base your whole colour scheme round one of the ribbons. So that's stirred coffee, a very nice colour to work with, mixing different colours. Thank you for watching.